Once upon a time, in a dense forest, a group of animals lived together peacefully. They had formed a close-knit community and looked out for each other. One day, they noticed a new animal had joined their community, Clever Fox. Initially, the animals welcomed the fox and included it in their activities. However, as time went by, the fox began to take advantage of the other animals' kindness and started tricking them for personal gain. The fox would pretend to be hurt or in need, and the compassionate animals would rush to help, only to discover they had been deceived. The animals started feeling frustrated and betrayed. They gathered to discuss the issue and decided to confront the fox. They told the fox that its dishonesty was causing harm to the unity of the community, and they couldn't trust it anymore. Realizing the impact of its actions, the fox felt remorseful and promised to change its ways. It acknowledged the importance of honesty and cooperation in a community. From that day on, the fox started using its cleverness to help the others and contribute positively to the community. The moral of the story is that honesty and trust are essential for maintaining a strong and harmonious community. Deception and trickery may work temporarily, but in the long run, they damage relationships and undermine the fabric of trust that holds a community together.